Dear student, yesterday we have started how to calculate new profit sharing ratio when a new partner take admission. To calculate new profit sharing ratio, there are 5 methods. Number 1, in absence of agreement. When there is no agreement between partner and new partner, simply we will presume that share of the partnership is 1 and incoming partner will be deducted from 1 and remaining share will be known as share of old partner. So first method, in absence of any agreement. Number 2, when old partner decided equally for the new partner share. When the old partner decided to equally share for the new partner. Number 3, when old partner surrenders certain fraction in favor of new partner. When the old partner surrenders certain fraction in favor of new partner. Fourth one, when the new partner purchase from the old partner in a particular ratio for his share. When the new partner purchase his share in particular ratio from old partner. And the last one, when the ratio of new partner is not given, you have to calculate what will be the ratio of new partner. Last one, when the ratio of new partner not given, you have to calculate the ratio of new partner. So dear, there are 5 methods how to find out new profit sharing ratio in absence of any agreement, when equally shared by old partner, when certain amount of surrender made by the old partner in certain fraction, when the new partner purchases share in particular ratio from old partner, and when ratio of new partner is not given, you have to calculate ratio. Yesterday I told you 3 methods of calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now the fourth is coming when sometime when the new partner purchases share in particular ratio from old partner. Here is the question, A and B are partner. Sharing 7:3, it can be 7/10 and 3/10. Admit C for 3/7. Admit C for 3/7. C said, I will take 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. C says, for my 3/7, I will take 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. A share 7/10 minus sacrifice amount 2/7 equal to 29/70. B share 3/10 sacrifice amount 1/7 minus 1/7. B new ratio is 11/70. After sacrificing, A share is 29/70, B share is 11/70, and 2/7 and 1/7 taken by C from A and B. Add both the share, which C take from A, C take from B, and the total share of C is 3/7. Make it simplest form, 29/70, 11/70 and 3/70, 3/7. Make it simpler, it is 29:11:30. So this is the method when new partner purchase share in particular ratio. Last method of calculation of new profit sharing ratio says when the new partner ratio not given. When the new partner ratio not given. For example, question says XY are the two partner. Their ratio is 6:4. We can say 6/10, 4/10. New ratio of Z is not given. Z the new partner, the ratio is not given. We have to find out new ratio of Z. But X surrender 1/5 for Z, Y surrender 1/10 for Z. X surrender 1/5 for Z, Y surrender 1/10 for Z. Question says calculate new profit sharing ratio. X ratio 6/10, surrender 1/5, 6/10 minus 1/5, X new ratio is 4/10, Y ratio is 4/10, surrender 1/10 for Z, Y new ratio is 3/10, X new ratio 4/10, Y new ratio 3/10. Amount sacrificed, share sacrificed by X and Y, 1/5 plus 1/10. This will be the total share of Z. So we add the 1/5 which he get from X, add the 1/10 which he get from Y, his total share is 3/10. So new profit 4/10, 3/10, 3/10 and new profit 4:3:3. So sometime question did not give the share of new partner. So you have to calculate new partner share by finding out how much sacrificed by the old partner. Old partner share directly deduct the share surrendered. Old partner directly deduct the amount of share surrendered. Total of surrendered amount is equal to new partner share. So this is the last method for calculation of new profit sharing ratio when the ratio of new partner is not given.